Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Misty and today I'm just gonna be doing my hair. I haven't had braids in a while, so yeah, I just wanted to do braids so bad, but I was feeling like really lazy. I didn't want to do it because I thought it would take forever. But I started last night, like late last night, and I almost finished it, but I just thought, let me wait until this morning so that I can film just the tiny bit left to do. Because if I started filming while I was doing it yesterday, it would just take longer. Then I'll have to set up colors, right? I used 27, and then I used 12, and then 6, and there's another color like the silver-ish color. I can't really find the pack for that one, so I don't know the number, but I took a picture of the 3 colors, so I'm gonna insert the picture somewhere. I took the picture of the 3 colors without the 4th color because I mixed the 3 colors together and then I realized it was a bit too light, so I went and got this color 6. I'll show you what that one looks like. It's just like a very chocolate brown. Looks like that. That is color 6. I use the expressions. I just have this middle bits that I need to do. I'm just gonna take it out. Guys, this is like a very lazy braids that I have done because I wanted to do like smaller, but then it would take longer, so I just said no, I didn't want to spend 2 days doing my hair, so I decided to make it big and not too full, as you can see. And also what I did was I had like plaits, you know, when you have your cornrows, the cornrows you do for your wigs. Yeah, that's what I had, and it's not been that long I did the cornrows, maybe about 2 weeks. Yeah, so 2 weeks, and I didn't want to take it all out. I didn't want to take my hair out to then start doing my braids because then it would seem like a lot of work. So what I did was I took out the cornrow one by one and I was doing the braids. So I took out one braid, like one cornrow like I'm doing now, and then I do the braids. Then I finish that one, and then I go out and take out the next one, and I do the same. So basically that's what I did. So it just made it like super easy for me to do. And it didn't seem like a lot of work. So yeah, I did not wash my hair. I did not do it. I was going to wash it with the cornrows because sometimes I do that. I just wash my hair with the cornrows in when I just don't want to, I just feel like it's a lot of work. When I don't want to undo too much work, I just wash my hair with the cornrows in, and then I condition it, and then condition it, take it out, blow it out. Sometimes I don't blow it out, just put back the cornrows in. So yeah, I'm talking too much, but yeah, I did not wash my hair. I'm gonna wash it after, when I take this out. I've got a headache because I haven't done this in a long time. I just wear my wigs, and I have braided wigs as well, so when I want to have braids I just put the braided wigs on. But I just wanted to do something different, and sleeping last night was like, oh my god, it wasn't easy. I'm not used to this. I am not used to this, honestly. Wig life is the best, no questions about that. Wig life is the best. So this is what the hair looks like after I mix the 4 colors. Bam, 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 bam. Just gonna split, and then that's too much. I feel like this is even too big. And then cross. Let me see if I can turn. Okay, so now I'm at the front. I know my scalp looks dirty, but it's because I moisturize my scalp like basically every day. That's why it looks like that, but it's alright, I don't mind. I don't think I'll be keeping this for long. I don't know, it depends on how I like it. If I really like it, I'll probably keep it for like 3 weeks. I don't know, but I just want to keep it in for like 2 weeks. Right, so I'm just going to do 3 on both sides because I don't want it to be too much. Okay, so yeah, it's done. I'm just going to dip it in water. I really like this color. I really now I'm going to trim it. I'm going to use a blow dryer. So I'm going to put it on and then I'm going to use it to get rid of all the bits sticking out. I'm just going to burn it quick. Right, so now I'm gonna dip it in hot water. Braid Relief Spray by Dr. Miracle. So I'm just gonna spray that at the roots. I can't even figure out the middle. So I'm gonna spray this. It's just makes your scalp feel so good. It feels so nice, honestly. We're just gonna massage it in. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mousse. So I used this Gummy Ultra Old as my edge control. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I'm good. I'm ready to go. Alright, I just want to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I love my hair. I'm happy that I have braids for the first time in a very long time. So thank you so much guys for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. Bye guys.